Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Magento 2 Marketplace Canada Post shipping add-on. Canada Post shipping brings you the shipping rate based on the Canada Post APIs, and now we have successfully integrated it for Webkul's multi-vendor marketplace module so that it is also available for the seller of your marketplace, and the seller can also provide this particular shipping method to their customers so that they can check out with their product using this marketplace Canada Post shipping method. So before we dive further into the workflow of the module, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any notification or update from our channel. So now let's quickly jump into the workflow of the module. So this is the front end of the module and it is the product page. So here you can see the details of the product. As you can see it here that this product is sold by Unique Shop, that is the name of the seller's store. Now I want to buy this product, so I will click on add to cart button. Once I click here, you can see that you added digital camera to your shopping cart. Now I will move here. Once I move here, I will click on view and edit cart. So once I click here, you can see the product details and the shipping address set by the customer, the country, state, provinces, or the postal code. Now the Canada Post shipping method calculates the shipping rate and taxes based on the store origin address as set by the seller and the shipping address set by the customer. So based on these distances, those taxes and the shipping rates are calculated. Now here you can see that Marketplace Canada Post shipping is available for this particular purchase. So here you can see the multiple methods of the Marketplace Canada Post shipping. The very first one is the expedited parcel, next one is regular parcel, then express post, priority. So I will click on expedited parcel, so I will select it and then I will click to proceed to checkout. Once I click here, you will be directed to this page, and on this page you can view your shipping address. Just below that you can see the shipping methods which are available for this particular purchase. Now you can also switch to another option of this Canada Post shipping method here also. Now as I told you that Canada Post shipping method calculates the shipping rates and taxes based on the store origin address of the seller and the shipping address of the customer. So that means if I change my shipping address, the shipping rate will be differ here. So let me add a new address here just to show you how does this change with the shipping address. So I will configure it here and I'll be giving my name, last name, then street address, and I'll be setting up the complete new shipping address. So I'm giving all these details. I'm selecting the country as Canada. So here I will provide a phone number. So once my shipping address is complete, I'll save it by clicking on the button that you can see in the right hand side. Then I'll click on ship here and I have created a new shipping address. Now you can notice this thing here that once I change my shipping address, the shipping rate for this expedited parcel has been changed. So I will again switch back to my previous shipping address. Now you can see the change that has taken place in the shipping rate based on the shipping addresses. Now I'll click on next, and after clicking on next I will be directed to the payment method page, and then I will selecting my payment method as check or money order. Now here you can see your order summary, all the details, the shipment address, and the shipping method is Marketplace Canada Post shipping. So now I will click on this place order button, and once I click on this place order button, we have successfully completed our purchase, and you can have your order number. So this is all about workflow of the module at the front end. Now I will move to the seller panel and then I'll show you to how to configure this Magento 2 marketplace Canada Post shipping method from the vendor panel. So let's go to the vendor panel and configure this module. So this is the vendor panel of the module, and this is marketplace dashboard. So what you need to do here is you need to scroll it down and you need to find shipping setting. So here it is. So I will click on this shipping setting, and it will direct you to a page where you will see certain fields that needs to be configured. So you need to fill up all those details here. So here the seller sets his store's origin address. So here he will give his company name, street address, city, state, provinces, zip, postal code, country. So after filling up all these details, after setting up the address for his store, the seller needs to click on this save button to save this address. So I will click on this save button, and here you can see that you saved the shipping origin address. So you have done this successfully. Now what you need to do next is you need to scroll it down, and in the marketplace dashboard you need to find Canada Post shipping method. So this is Canada Post configuration, so you need to click here. Once you click here, you will again see certain fields. So you need to configure all those fields so that you can use Canada Post shipping method for your store. So here you can see Canada Post user ID, client number, password, and then agreement type. So agreement type is of two types, non-contract and contract. So if you select contract, you will have to give an agreement number. Here I'm selecting non-contract, and then you need to click on the save button to save this configuration. Once you have clicked on this save button, Canada Post shipping details saved successfully. So you can use this Canada Post shipping method on your store. Now I will go on the order history, and I will click on that, and then I'll show you to process the order further by using this particular shipping method. So here you can see the list of all your orders. So here you can see the order ID 575. That is exactly the same order that we have just placed from the front end, and you can see the status of the order is pending here. So I will click on view order button, and clicking on that will direct me to the order details, and here you can see the order details for your product. So here is the product name, SKU, price, quantity, total price, admin commission, vendor total, subtotal, the buyer's information, shipping address, and here you can see the shipping method that had been chosen by you and the payment method. And also after seeing all these details, I want to create an invoice for my order. So I will click on invoice, and here you can see that invoice has been created for this order. Now once I have created the invoice, I want to create shipment for my order. So after creating the invoice, what I'll do, I want to create the shipment but for that I need to provide tracking number. This is a required field. So after providing the tracking number, I will click on ship button, and here my shipment will be created. So the shipment has been created. Here you can see this, and after doing that, here you can see that we have successfully created invoices and shipments for my order. So I will click on invoices, and you can see the details of your order information, buyer information, shipping address, payment method, and the details of the product that and then you can also click on this print invoice button to print your invoice slip. So I have clicked it here, and it is getting downloaded. So once it's get downloaded, I will open it up for you. So there it is. So this is how the invoice slip will look like. So here you can see the invoice number, order date, customer address, shipping address, customer details, payment method, and the shipping method is, of course, you can see that marketplace Canada Post shipping. And here the details of your product, SKU, price and quantity, tax, and the subtotal. So again, now I will click on shipments, and there you can scroll it down, and you can view your shipment details. So here you can see that your payment information, the shipping and the tracking information, items that you have shipped, and all other details. Now I will click on print shipment button to print the packaging slip. So you can see that it is getting downloaded. So once it gets downloaded, I will open it up. So I have just opened it up now. Now you can see this packaging slip number, order date, customer details, shipment details, and then shipping method is again showing up, the marketplace Canada Post shipping, and the total shipping charges, and your tracking number. So everything is there on this packaging slip. So now we have successfully created the invoice and shipment for our order. We have processed it. So now let me go to the admin panel and let me show you how to configure this module from the admin panel, and how the admin is going to allow their sellers to use Canada Post shipping method for their stores. So let's go to the admin panel. So this is the admin panel, and you need to navigate to the stores, and then you need to navigate to the configuration. So once you click on the configuration, you will be directed to a page where you need to further scroll it down, and then you need to find a section called sales. So you need to expand that particular section. So once you find sales, expand it, and then you will find a shipping settings. So you need to click on shipping settings. Once you click on the shipping settings, you need to set up the origin for your store. I have set up it to be United States. You can choose any country as per your requirement. So you can also choose Canada. So let me do it for you. So I'm choosing Canada for the origin of my store, and here I have selected it. Then it will ask you to select the region, state or provinces, then other details like postal code, city, street address, or any optional street address line too if you want to add. Now if you want to have some shipping policy parameter for your shipping method, so you can select it yes, otherwise no. So in case if you select it yes, you need to fill up your shipping policy. Otherwise I have selected it no, so I'm not keeping any shipping policy parameter here. Now you need to save the configuration. So after clicking on the save configuration button, you can see that your configuration has been saved. Now the next thing you need to do, you need to go to the shipping method, which is just below the shipping settings. So here you need to find the Canada Post shipping method, marketplace Canada Post shipping method among all this shipping method, and there you find Canada Post shipping method. So just click on it, and after clicking on it, you have number of options to configure. The very first thing is to enable for checkout. So if you select it yes, you can use it, otherwise no. You can also select it for the production mode instead of sandbox mode, and the agreement type, contract or the non-contract, then the title, the API user ID for your store, the client number, the agreement number, the API password, the delivery time offset. If you want to keep some delivery time offset, you can set up it here. Now if you want to show the estimated delivery time on your checkout page, so yeah, you can enable it yes. Or the next thing is the group name or the weight unit. Also you can check either pounds or the kilogram as the weight unit for your store. Now there are multiple methods. You can select one, more, or all methods for the Canada Post shipping methods. And the next is allowed methods for the non-contract type. And then you will find the enable free shipping threshold. So if you disable it, there is no issue, but in case if you enable it, you need to fill up some threshold amount for this particular shipping method to be enabled on your store. So let me do it, and then you can also apply the setting for the applicable countries. And then if you want to display some error messages for your shipping method, here you can type it. Then other information you need to configure, like the calculate handling fee. Now the most important thing is the allow sellers to have Canada Post detail. If you select it to no, if you disable it, the sellers of your marketplace won't be able to allow this particular shipping method. So if you want them to use this particular shipping method, you need to enable it to yes. Then show method if not applicable. If you want to show it up even it is not applicable, so you can use it. Then you need to save the configuration. So Once you save the configuration, you can see that the configuration has been saved. So this is all about Magento 2 Marketplace Canada Post shipping add-on. I really hope that this video helped you out in understanding the workflow of the module. If you still have any query, doubt, suggestion, please get back to us at support@webkul.com. You can also raise a ticket at uvdesk.webkul.com. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.